What's up, YouTube? Today I'll show you how to install Raspberry Pi OS. So first thing you have to do is download an image. You can search it in Google, Raspberry Pi. I recommend this Debian, the main. They are supposed to OS. It's the most stable, I think. Okay, download that on their websites. Okay. So you need a SD card. I recommend formatting it first from the association of the SD card. They have a formatter. I recommend that if you like to format the SD card. You need SD card on the Pi to run it, to run the OS. Okay? Now you need to extract the one you downloaded because it's in zip. You can also um, some writer some writer extract the file automatically, but I use W32 writer, image writer. I think this I like this on Windows, or you can use the Ether Bicelica. It's also good, but in my case I'll use this image writer on Windows. Okay, you have to write it. Okay, after that it's gone, and then you will see it's formatted because it's in Linux partition. You cannot read on Windows, but there's a little fat partition that Windows can read, very small. Now after writing the image, you have to, there's my card reader, you have to put it on the Pi. Okay, it's very easy, especially for beginners. I think this is also the best OS, the Debian. It's the main OS. So you have to hook it up in a HDMI cable and then do the power. That's the power. I'm just using a power bank. You might want also keyboard and mouse. You can put it on the USB. Yeah, you will see this. At first it will be a long time to boot, but after that it will be faster. See? All Pi, you should have able to install this OS, but not in the lower ones, like I'm using a B plus, this one. So I think the B is much stable and or faster. I just tested it. Okay, so there, you have to wait it for run. You will see a GUI like Windows, so it's a user interface, so it's much familiar with. Okay, so after a while you will see this. You will have a wizard. I recommend downloading the latest version of the OS, the Debian. And there's a wizard. Just continue, change your password, go through the wizard. Okay, next, configure your internet. You can do Wi-Fi or LAN, whichever is available to you. They all work good. It is recommended that you update. That's the command, sudo apt-get update. This one will get the list of update. It's just will get the list. the list of the latest update on your Pi. Okay, it's actually not installing yet. There's still another command there, apt-get upgrade sudo. Don't forget the sudo, it's a root access. So this one is downloading. If you have a slow internet, may take a while. Okay,